This is a Rubik's Cube. You probably have one of these. These are really bad to turn. You can't use these in a speed cube. They're so bad. And that's where GAN comes in. This is a GAN 356 Air Pro. Today I'm going to be unboxing it, so let's just get into it. So, open up. Oh, very nice. Okay, so first thing we get is this, but no one really cares about this. Second thing we get is this. It's I don't know what it is. And then we have manual. No one cares about that. And then we have the cube. Oh, look at this. And then we have this. Okay, so here's the cube. Let me take it out of the box thingy. Okay, so let's use this. Okay, no magnets. Very, very soft. Very, very dry. Has hexagon thingies or whatever though. And then yeah, very nice. I'd rate it 6 out of 10 or something. It's not the best experience, but it's decent. I mean, not the best. Let's use this. You use it. We just open this. You get one of these. We want to take the cap off, and then we want to get this little thingy. I don't know what this is. Get the big bit. Turn it up. Loosen it. And there we go, we got this out. We just turned anti-clockwise. Use the biggest one. If you use the smallest one, it doesn't fit in. And then just change it, put this in. There we go, and then just tighten it. There we go, tightened, done. I can move, it changes the tension of the spring. Just put this back, put the white bit back on. Now I'm going to solve it, and yeah, let's just do this. There we go, I've done it. So now I'm going to just clean up my little mess I made. So there we go, I've done this. For beginners, I'd rate this a 5 out of 10. It's for £30, which is like, this is like, I don't know how much
stupid
dollars it is. But yeah, this is very good cube for professionals who know how to handle a cube, because this is really bad without magnets. Like, it's so, ugh. And also it's smothered in lube, so yeah. So anyway, that's it for now, guys. Bye!
お前はもう死んでいる。